Yo, what's up, everybody? Pete Peterson here with Dream Huge Realty. My man,
Justin Bigelow, hashtag sell with Bigelow.
Hashtag sell with Bigelow, everybody. So we got a great article here. Justin actually sent me this article a couple of days ago, and I said that is an awesome video topic right there.
Yep.
10 real estate trends for 2022, actually produced by Dotloop. Is that who had this article?
Yeah, dotloop.com.
So Dotloop is who we use for our electronic signatures and so forth, and they're actually owned by Zillow. You may have heard of them. So, but let's get right into it. 10 things that you're gonna see in the upcoming year. Number one, you're gonna see continued price growth, not as explosive as 2021, but they're predicting about 5%.
Yeah.
So if you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for it to go down next year, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah, this is another source that said that. I've heard multiple sources give out number one about that price action.
All the experts.
Yeah,
all the research is pointing to that. New technology. You're gonna continue to see new technology drive the market as we make things more efficient, and which actually ties into number four, more mobile friendly, because mobile is replacing the desktop.
Yeah, in the next like 5 years or something.
Yeah, for so many folks. Mobile. And it's just crazy to be thinking we were on an old rotary phone at one time, and I remember
a typewriter.
Yeah, I remember holding off on getting a cell phone that had a color screen because I heard that drains the battery. Did you? I was like, oh, I'm not switching to a colored screen cell phone.
The old Game Boy, black and white.
Oh yeah, all that good stuff. But the mobile, the technology continues to advance, especially in light of COVID and everything else, with the stay at home and the virtual world that we now have and we were rushed into. So you're gonna, and I skipped number three, but you're gonna see better AVMs, better AI, better artificial intelligence, right?
Yeah, that's where so the TAC 2, 3, 4 are all combined. Better AVMs, they're gonna use AI and machine learning to better predict a real value of a property. That like technology and the mobile, one thing I read about technology, they're gonna have the AI be able to analyze pictures. It's already done. Apple's already have the technology.
Right, they already have the facial recognition.
They'll analyze the photos and then can use that to apply to other houses that are listed and pick out, if you like this room, then you might like this room.
Yes.
So that's where the tech, AI, this all comes into play.
Really tightening down these AVMs, and we saw Zillow got in trouble because they bought way too many houses, relying on their own AVM, which is just that automated. But that will be dialed in the coming year. You're going to see an increase in teams in real estate. Again, it's all about being efficient for the client, right?
Yes.
And the more efficient you can be for the client, it makes more sense. So it's all about the client experience. So you'll see that, and I'm just going to hop ahead to number 10 because these two relate to each other. Transaction coordinators. You're going to see more of these in the industry, right?
Yeah, so this is just more of like an admin assistant that handles the whole file from the middle to the end.
Right. So again, it's all about that client experience.
Keep it all organized.
We want to make it as simple and easy for you as possible, because we all know that everyone has a super busy life.
Yes.
You don't have time to shuffle through papers and try to email stuff, and let us do that for you. Let the transaction coordinators and the teams do that for you. That's what we're here for. Make your life easy and get that house closed quickly and efficiently. The work from home is here to stay. What the article said was we've kind of realized the top end of that for those who are actually going to continue to work from home. They didn't predict that it was going to get more. I think if not anything else, it may get a little bit less. I think you may see a little bit more back to the office, but
it's become more mainstream.
A large portion of that has become mainstream. You're right, and it is here to stay.
Yeah, that ties into number 7 right there. Millennials are going to make up, like, I think it's like 70% of the market.
Yes.
So most millennials are finally getting up there. They're getting the older ones. The younger ones are getting older. So they're going to make up a large portion
Flooding the market. Average household income for millennials nationwide, $88,000 per household.
Yep.
So that kind of gives you the perspective of what type of size of house they will be purchasing. But they will continue to flood the market and drive that the tight inventory that we see out there. Yeah. New builds will stall. As new builds continue to struggle to catch up, you know, the cost of the materials, the struggle for labor.
Yes.
Everything else.
Factors, the cost of steel and just all these things that they're trying to do.
Right, and they're still behind from the 07-08 crash, and they're still trying to catch up, and things are just not helping them.
Yeah, and number 8 ties into number 1, so.
Right, new builds is going to make the price go up because of the stalling of the new builds.
Yes.
Rents will continue to climb. This year, we saw a 16.4% increase in rents nationwide. So again, I think that will climb. It's not going to climb as explosive as that.
Yeah.
I think you're going to see positive growth in rents as well, but it's not going to be as crazy as 16%. And then we
already covered number 10, the transaction coordinator handling the deals.
Right, keeping that experience, that customer experience seamless. So that's what we got for today. Give us a shout with any of your real estate questions, needs. Biggie, what's your cell?
419-565-9177.
That's right. Hashtag sell with Bigelow. Justin Bigelow, thank you for joining us. Pete Peterson with Dream Huge Realty. And as always, remember the rules. Work hard, never give up, and dream huge.